Classic Duck-Weave Carhartt fabric for durability. Custom made for your specific year, make and model seats. Headrest and armrest covers are also included, if equipped. Easy installation and removal. Machine washable. Carhartt Seat Saver seat covers from Covercraft are the solution to the problem of keeping the seats in your truck or SUV clean and protected from daily use and weekend adventures. Made from durable, duck-weave fabric, these custom-fit seat covers protect your seats from dirt, mud, grime, spills and more. Featuring Rain Defender technology, a durable water repellency finish is added to the fabric to make it highly water-resistant. Combine these features with the custom fitment and classic Carhartt styling, you get seat covers that look great and protect your seats from whatever you throw at them. Compatible with Dodge Ram 2017 to 2021, Ram 1500, 2017, 2020, 2500, 2017, 2018, 3500, 2017, 2018. Top reviews from the United States. I love my car seats, but they only covered the front seats and the middle box. There were no back seat covers, but it did clearly show back seat covers in the displayed photo.